Welcome to Tai Chi for ankle pain. This routine will help you gently improve stability, ease stiffness, and bring relief to your ankles. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, gathering in the energy, bring it into the heart, and send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, sink the chi. Just grounding the energy. And then taking your time, stepping one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the side, the fountain. Breathing in, and breathing out, really letting go. How much can you let go? One more time, moving like water, soft but powerful. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the fingertips dip down towards the earth as you soften down. Then the hands come forward, all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Digging in the garden. Breathing in and breathing out. Just going down as much as you can comfortably, just letting go of striving. One more time, digging in the garden. And then reverse direction, the hands float up and over and down. Softening down, the hands come back up in front of the body as we harvest from the garden. Just making a big circle with the hands, coming up and over, and down. All right, one more time, harvesting from the garden. This time, round out as if you're hugging a big tree and soften. Step one foot in a little bit closer, and then from here, the arms open up wide. The hands float down, the fingertips point up. They float all the way up and over and spiral out and away. Silk reeling, upward spirals. Just opening the shoulders and chest, creating space in the spine, just feeling the sensations. One more time, the upward spirals. And then from here, the hands float up in front. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in, and then push back out, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Just feeling the sensations, bringing mindfulness to the body. Mindfulness to the breath. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float all the way up and over as if we're draping a coat right over the shoulder, and then push right out to the corner once again. Breathing in, the arms float up. Breathing out, draping the coat. All right, one more time. Pushing through. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, step in, step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and soft. Breathing. Checking in with the breath. All right, one more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float all the way up and over, draping the coat over the shoulder, and then pushing right out to the corner. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, draping the coat. Very nice. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, both arms drift all the way over to the side and down, and just drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. You can do this at any point during the flow, whenever your arms need a break. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart. Playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up as we gather the seeds. And then we'll plant the seeds into the earth, softening down. The hands come down the center and then brush out to the sides. Coming back up the center to gather some more seeds and then planting them into the earth. Taking your time as you soften down, rising up. All right, one more time, planting seeds. This time, circle the hands all the way around, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. This hand scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then the bottom hand comes up overhead, the other hand goes down by the hip. And then circle it around again. So just the arms at first. The bottom arm comes up, leaning over to the side going up. The other one goes down. This time, the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front, like you're testing out the water. And then circle it around again. The white crane spreads wings. Bottom hand comes up, tap the toes out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, white crane spreads wings. Very nice. This time, step in and catch the moon, and then we'll spin the moon, so reversing direction. And then the bottom hand comes up, other hand comes down, leaning over to the side going up. Circle it around again with just the arms. Taking your time, no rush, nowhere to go. This time, as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down in front. Touching down the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, white crane spreads wings. Very nice. This time, catch the moon. The arms open up wide, and the hands come together in prayer position, right in front of the heart, taking a little bow. And as you breathe in, the arms open out to the sides. As you breathe out, the hands come back together. The heart opening breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Just clearing out old stuck energy, making room for the new. One more time, the heart opening breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Then the hands float down, circle all the way around and hug the tree. Right out in front. From here, the arms open wide. This hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. The other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. Toss away. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. Nice and slow. Checking in with the breath. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. This time the bottom hand scoops up, the wrists cross. The arms float down as you shift back and open. And then the arms float back up top as you shift forward. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, the princess on the mountaintop. Just coming up as much as you can comfortably. Once again, letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. All right, one more time, the princess on the mountaintop. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. The arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. The other hand floats down, circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time. This time, bottom hand comes up, the wrists cross, the arms float down, circling out and around, back up top. The princess on the mountaintop. Breathing in, breathing out, or breathing normally. One more time. Coming back up to the mountain peak, and then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and then from here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften, circling in front, gathering in the energy to transform into loving kindness and self-compassion right at the heart. And then down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time, making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out. Sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.